Hey guys, welcome to this video. Now, in the previous video, we looked at how our app uh, is going to look like. Now, it kind of looks still not really up to standards as far as uh, the action bar is concerned. So we want our action bar to look like this, orange, and our colors like that. So to do this, we're going to need to have a new action bar style generator. So here, this is where I generate my styles. And in our case, I'm using a light with dark action bar. And you'll see the preview here. And I'll call this one live update. And the action bar color, I'm going to put that. It's the same color. That should do it pretty much for me. And what I will do is come here and I'll just download. You can change pop-up colors, for example, to whatever you like. Tab indicators, stuff like that. Like the tabs themselves, you can make them. If you're gonna have tabs in your app, mine I won't, but I'll just download it at this point, and I will have a zip file that has my drawables in it. So what I want to do is just simply copy this folders into my drawable folder, my resources folder here, and I Control V, paste it. Then I should be able to now have a new theme in my resource folder. So to start using the theme, I cannot use the theme at the moment until I go to the manifest and declare that if I go to values, you'll see styles live update.xml. So in there, we have a theme called theme.liveupdate. Theme.liveupdate. So this theme.liveupdate. And if I run it, we should be having the new theme in effect, if I'm not wrong. Sometimes I get errors, so this should be a usual thing. This shouldn't be something to stop you from going. And there we have the new theme installed. Now let's try to, in the next video, I will try to now kind of show you how to start to colorize the usernames, and our app should be ready to go. All right.